Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be trying out the new sweet and spicy Popeyes chicken wings. And of course we couldn't go without some fries too. So, you know, they got some of the best fries in the game. Besides Central Park, which I don't know if that was everywhere for people. There's one still in Tennessee. Central Park has the best fries. If you don't know what that restaurant is, look it up. But these are kind of similar, but these are bussin'. The sweet and spicy chicken wings, they barely douse them in anything. Actually, I'm gonna shake this, see if that helps. Hopefully I don't make a mess. There she go, eat my fries again. And if you guys have not seen the first video, that was over the ghost pepper wings. I'm gonna try to post it right here somewhere. Go check that out. It was a good video, very funny.
I'm waiting for you to try it.
So you gonna wait for me to try it? I'll try this real crunchy one. Y'all see that? It's got sauce on it. This is pretty good. You know, these are really good, but I just don't like the messiness. I think I've gotten past the point of wanting sticky fingers with my food. Especially like right now, we're in the car. Don't really like that. But this is good. It's like a sweet chili sauce, I think. That's what they used. If you did see my other video, and I would have said those ghost pepper wings were super hot. I talked to them in there, and I explained what happened. And they said that they probably had the chicken marinating for too long, because what they told me is that these are actually the ghost pepper wings. But these are the ghost pepper wings, but they put a drizzle of some sweet chili, is what I'm thinking it is. Sweet chili sauce on it. But I guarantee you this is different from the first video, or the first ones we had, which if you haven't seen it, like I said, go check that out. Those things were hot. Too hot to where the next day it was terrible coming out. So this place just admitted pretty much they just had it sitting in there too long. So I'm assuming if I would have got the ghost pepper wings here, they'd have been more tolerable. But then again, the sweet sauce is on it, so it might be mitigating that too. But these don't even look, even with the sauce on here, they're not even as dark as those other wings. They taste good though. They tolerable.
Yeah.
So yeah, that place the Popeyes we went to the first time, they either don't sell enough of them, so they just let them sit in the marinade for too long, or they just want it to be spicy. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna give this honestly a 9 out of 10, because I like wings and it's got this sweet kick to it. It's nice and crunchy at the same time, so I think a solid 9 out of 10 is good for these sweet and spicy wings from Popeyes. So guys, let me know if you guys want to see something else, want me to try something else that's kind of new at one of these restaurants. It's not like McDonald's or something like that, because I just don't eat there. But this is pretty good. You guys should go check it out, try it out your nearest location, and check into the next video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take it easy.